Gotta sneak in, employees only. This is what we're looking for. And it's dark. Do I turn the light on? No. They got a nice TV in here. Look at these guys. They're spoiled with the big TV. And they got a badass vending machine that's always full of stuff. What do we got here? I don't know, it's like, I think I want something sweet. Chuckles. Ooh, Chuckles. Oh, the Kit Kat looks good too. That's the bottom row. They even have gum. How many places have gum? Can't go wrong with the Jay's barbecue. And Okie Doke sucks. I don't know why it even is being made. Everything else is alright as far as your saltiness. And then you get even a beef stick in here. This is a pretty righteous vending machine. They've got a lot of good stuff going. Look, they even got a granola bar. And the trail mix. Hello. Trying to decide what we want here. Now he's gone. Now he's gone. Yeah. You probably heard me talking to myself. Oh yeah. Anyhow, you got Famous Amos. That's like, isn't that like a? That's like a vending machine legend, right? Famous Amos. Those are double chocolate, so they're not even like regular chocolate chip. And Grandma's. Oh, I didn't even notice those. And a huge ass Rice Krispie treat. And nothing's more than $1 in here. That you can't beat that. Chips are 65 cents. Sweet stuff for $1. And I've got my $1. And have a nice day. We're gonna see. I don't know. I was gonna get the Chuckles again, because I got those the other day, but I didn't like review them. I was gonna sort of do a little review of the good old Chuckles. So whatever I do, I'm gonna do a review on. You know what? I'm gonna try something different. You know, I'm just gonna do the Chuckles. We gotta talk about Chuckles. Good old Chuckles. There you are. E4, says the good man. Oh, see, it's dark in here. The other day I came in here and the light was on, and it was good. But there was something kind of nice about it being nice and quiet in here and dark. So I left the lights off. Alright. Well, we're going to report back and tell you how the Chuckles turned out. This is a big dealership. They work on mostly Ford here. Chuckles, we got them. And the sun is shining. The sun is shining for the Chuckles. Alright. It's kind of a cool little lot here. Okay, we'll see you later.